See how that opened up her curls? We can open it up some more, but I just wanted to show you guys how that works. So see, it's not frizzy, but it actually has a nice shine to it. Give it a little, it looks pretty. It looks so cute.
I love
It's
it.
so cute. Love it. Yeah, we could go more and get really, you know, but so that's the glaze. The glaze, which is our nice laminating curl moisturizer, but also helps control frizz. So we set her in the salon with the SilkOut serum and the Silk Whip. And if you saw the video, or go back and look on the previous video on our IG where we actually shingled out her hair after we did her color, conditioning, trim, shape up. But to add a little more volume to her curls, I want to go in with the glaze and give it some volume, but help control the frizz at the same time. On dry hair, so this is after the wash and go, after it dried, then we put a little bit of glaze to help open up the curl. And it's not weighed down, she can shake it. It's not weighed down. And her curls look really pretty, really pretty. So that's our glaze, you guys.
Thank
Look
you,
at my
ma'am.
hand, see, it was really soft. So.
Oh, and it doesn't feel like anything's in it.
Right, feels good. All right, you guys, so get you some glaze, get you some Silk Whip, and get those curls together, you guys. Get them curls together. All right,